Hello. So for today's video, I'm just gonna clean my table saw. After a project, things can get pretty not pretty. As you can see here sa blade ng table saw, there is a buildup of sawdust. And my recent project was pine wood. I used pine wood, and pine wood can be very notoriously sticky because of its sap, yung dagta niya. So the heat, the sawdust will build up on your blade, also inside your table saw. So we're gonna remove that. First, we're gonna start with the blade. What I'm gonna do with the blade is just hot water and soap. I don't have those special stuff. Hot water and soap will do. And then I'm gonna apply this RC lubricant from Pioneer. Maganda siya. Just gonna, all those threads, all those moving parts, I'm gonna spritz it with this. So let's start with the blade. I'm gonna remove the blade first. Okay, so we're just gonna remove the blade first. Cleaning your tool after a project is very important. I learned a thing or two over the weekend from Lotus how to clean my thickness planer. Another video for that. So subscribe, click the notification bell to stay tuned for that video. So moving the blade.
Always be careful with the blade, always keep safe, put a piece of cloth if you have to. It didn't show in the camera because of my poor angle skills, but I have a way of loosening the bolt of the blade. Maybe I'll show that in another video where I will change the blade, so stay tuned.
So, as you can see, it's covered in sawdust. So we're gonna clean that. That is not good. This will make your cuts dull, very dirty, and not clean. Yes, kasi kung madumi to, madumi rin yung cut mo. It's gonna dull out the blade kasi all those mga nakaharang. So we need those out. So now that we've removed the blade, let's just get our blower. So this is Lotus's blower. Very great tool for cleaning other tools. We're gonna slightly remove the other buildup so that it won't get too thick inside. So using the blower, we have cleaned out the most of the sawdust inside. So now we can apply some lubricant to all the moving parts so that the table saw won't have a hard time moving. So there, under the table saw. The one for the crank. Let's find it here. So I hope I can hit it. All the way up. Yep, that's it. Okay. So just move it to get things going. Yep. As you can see, very suave ang aking movements there. That's nice. Now to take care of the blade. So what I did, I just got a basin that the saw blade will fit in perfectly, as you can see, so perfectly. And then I boiled some water. There, just do that. Some joy. I don't know if I'm gonna spark a debate here, but yeah, this is what I do. both sides. It's hot. Whoop. Just both sides. Hot. Hot. There. Just until it's covered. Let that sit to soften the buildup. I'd say about 5 minutes, and then I'm gonna brush it. This has decently not so hard bristles, just enough to take off the buildup. So yep, we're just gonna let it sit so that we would brush it very easily. So there, 5 minutes. Since mainit din siya, mahirap siyang hawakan, so yeah, dyan muna. After submerging the blade in hot water, you can see most of the buildup came off sa hot water. So next, we're gonna just brush the remaining buildup. So there, just give it a rinse and it's good as new. Well, sakto lang. Well, it's better kaysa sa sobrang dumi niya. So be careful pa rin when handling. It is pretty sharp. So there. So lastly, just grab a clean cloth and then just wipe all the moisture off the blade. So make sure it sits flush dito. Dapat pantay. Dapat flat na flat dyan. To secure the blade, we're going to put in the washer. I think this is a washer. How tight? You want it pretty tight. Like, pag di mo na mapilit, if you can't force it anymore, konting ganun na lang. Like, for example yan, hindi ko na mapilit. So, konting, one more, yep. So, there. That's so you know that it's good. So, there. Now that's a clean blade. Oh, by the way, make sure your table saw is not plugged in whenever you're opening it, touching the blade, reaching your hand inside. Make sure it's unplugged, and yeah, for safety. So yeah, that's it. Basic cleaning of the table saw done. Whoop. There you go. Now ready for the next project. See you in the next one. Bye.